Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone 11, 12, 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max series. Let's get started. Method 1. Set AirDrop sending and receiving setting to everyone. For that, firstly go to Settings app. Here tap on General, then tap on AirDrop. After that, select Everyone. Method 2. Turn on AirDrop restriction. For that, firstly go to the Settings app in your phone. Tap on Screen Time. Here tap on Content and Privacy Restriction. Then tap on Allowed app. Now turn on AirDrop. Third and last method is reset all settings. For that, firstly go to Settings app, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom of your screen and tap the Transfer or Reset and tap on Reset. Here click on Resets all settings. After that, enter your passcode of your iPhone. Then tap on Reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. So like the video before leaving and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching the video.